So let's start talking about some variations on face-offs. As we mentioned, this would be a more defensive draw for the offense, and for a more defensive draw for the defense is where the back defense will actually shift in behind this D. And the advantage of this is that if there's a puck that ever squirts out in this general region, or the center decides to shoot, that we have extra players in the lane to try and block the shot. For example, here we got 2 defenders ready to block the shot, or perhaps back here, lots of defenders, and again, lots of defenders. This is more of a block focused strategy where we're clogging the zone and not allowing anybody in here to take dangerous chances. Otherwise, it is recommended to go for a more standard face-off draw so that you're able to quickly move the puck behind the net safely if you have a win back in the corner or directly behind. And this is easy to set up for a standard breakout situation like so. For offense, in order to be a little bit more aggressive, you will sometimes see a defense coming in on an angle like this. So perhaps what could be done is the opposite winger comes across where they're primed to have a one-timer opportunity or a shot opportunity on the net. And this is more aggressive and not typically seen, but it can happen. Some variations on offside face-offs where it's in the neutral zone. This is your typical setup, just your standard alignment, like so. However, if you want to be a little bit more aggressive, it's very common to see the winger go a little bit wider and the D comes in to fill in the spot, like so. And this is so if you ever have a face-off win directly at the back, this winger is able to swing it wide with a big pass across, and you're able to gain the zone very easily. But of course, the risk is we have 4 players high, and if they win something like this, and the defense is able to come in with speed, you only have 1 defender, so it's a little bit more aggressive and not so conservative. Again, this is a special case scenario, only when teams want to start to get a little bit more aggressive.